Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, International Institute of Foreign Language. Here you can see that you can meet my friend.
Okay, so this is Deepak Kohli and I am a student of this institute, International Institute. Okay, and
So my name is Yashika and you can see that I am also part of this institute. So let's start the pair talk. Like you'll get to know that how to talk with a friend whenever you meet. So let's start. Okay, how are you?
I am good, and you?
I'm also good. So what's going in your life?
So if I talk about my life, so I am doing nothing and it is very boring life, I can say, because I am struggling nowadays and only I am learning English. I am making videos on YouTube, and you?
But I think so from your side it's an attractive way to enjoy your life because you make YouTube videos also and you have so many different ways to make yourself so much attractive and enjoy your life. Like it shouldn't be boring. And if I'll say through my side, I usually actually I'm a student of 9th standard, so I usually try to study more because it's my school and I have to work for this. But in my school I need to speak in English because I'm afraid from my friends. So that's why I learned English. So why do you want to learn English?
Okay, because it is my dream to learn English, because I wanted to learn English, and because many people speak in English. That time I realized, yeah, I should speak, and means I feel regret, and so that's why I want to learn English. That's why I came here,
Yeah.
and I am learning English here. And because I didn't have fluency, because I am from science side, that's why I know how to make sentences and how to read, how to write, but how to speak properly I didn't know that time.
Yes.
But that's why I am learning English here, and I am working on it.
Okay, so we can see that the situation is also outside very bad, but still we want to come this institute because we can see this institute have given us so many things. Like always, the best part is it always motivates and encourages towards our goal and towards speaking. And I never felt bored in this institute to like not come over here.
Yes, yes.
And what do you think about this institute? Like, do you feel something special or not?
Yes, I feel something special. Like if I talk about the games, so we play many games here. If I talk about all the game, like group discussion and debate game and interview
Yeah.
game and presentation game and topic game and non-stops game, and these kinds of game we can play here and we can enjoy, because we can learn many things from each and every games. Okay, so that's why it plays very important role in our life, and we should play and we should enjoy while playing this game.
Okay,
And
what do you think? Like the weather is also bad about it.
no, weather is not bad. I like rainy season, and it was raining. It is raining also. And but if I talk about problem, so we face only one kinds of problem, like mud problem and overflowing,
Yeah.
and so this kind of problem we face. And apart from this, we can enjoy this weather, and we can take fritters at our home, and we
Yes.
can watch movies at this season, in this season. So definitely we should enjoy this season.
Even this part only I like about the rainy season, that it is fully even the rainbow also come if the whole day is raining and the rainbow comes. I like that beautiful part. But the muddy and those dirty things I don't like.
Yes.
But otherwise, this season is also best. But the disease we face, even that thing also I don't like. But because of plants, if we want plants in our place, so we have to handle these kind of diseases and plants and all this.
Yes, yes, because we should plant the plants, definitely, because we get oxygen from
Yes.
it, and we should have indoor plants also. And because if we are keeping indoor, so definitely we can get oxygen, and we don't need again pour the water. So these kind of things. Okay, so apart from this, why are you learning English here?
Okay, as I just told that in my school, I just want to make perfection in myself, that I speak more with the fluency and I shall compare with my friends that yeah, I can also speak like you, and even I want that my teacher should say that yeah, Yashika has improved and she has now fulfilled my dreams, like she want that I shall speak so
Okay, so
beautifully.
you are from private school.
Yes.
Even though you are learning English here, so do you think you need of learning English here?
Yes, actually, school always teach us. And school never tells us that what is how to speak. School always tells us to study in these kind of sectors and all the vocabulary and grammatical words.
Yes.
So I get to know from my school, and the speaking sector I'm getting from here, this institute. Okay, you can share about your family. That what's
Family. Okay, so there are 5 members in my family, and me.
Oh, that's same. Even I also have 5 members.
Yes, me and my younger brother and my means elder sister and my father and mother, and we means I have a small family, and so.
Even about my family, if I tell, I have one elder sister and one younger brother. Means I'm the center one.
I am also center one.
In my mother and father, like we usually enjoy. So what about the lockdown? Do you say, did you enjoy in the lockdown or you feel bored?
Okay, so it's up to us and how we are spending time.
Yes.
Okay, because lockdown we can't go outside. So, but we can learn many things and we can work on our skills and we can learn. Yeah, means suppose I have some skills, so definitely we should work on it. And but many people means blame. Yeah, lockdown is not good and
Yes.
I'm spending time at my
Yes,
home.
yes,
I am
yes.
wasting time. But we should not waste our time. We should we should utilize our time in good manner.
Yeah.
So it will be good for us.
Even in the lockdown, I enjoyed it a lot.
Yes.
Like in the starting, I was feeling that what we'll do the whole day, for so much of time we are spending like that. But then nights was too longer, so we used to think we should like late. We were night, we don't sleep at
Yes,
night,
yes.
and we sleep late. So what we do, we play games in my family. I was not aware before the lockdown that there are so much enjoyment they do. My father was interested in chess. He's so much like always when I play him, he always make me out, and that was the like situation. And I was having a craze that one day I will let him out. And even my mother, I play with her carrom board. Even my sister and brother also they play carrom board. Even my sister also play in phone like digital games. Now we can see.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
if you are not able to go
Now
outside.
it is going on.
Yeah, every game is made digital.
Yes,
Carrom
like
board.
Ludo also, because
Yeah.
means during lockdown we were playing Ludo online.
Yes.
And we can connect to each
Yes,
and every
through
person
online.
like yes. So we were playing like this.
Like-
And okay, so from where do you belong?
I belong from Rajasthan only.
You are from
Yeah.
Rajasthan. Okay, I am from also Rajasthan. And so where in Rajasthan?
You can see that Khemri and these kind of villages only. Yeah.
But I don't know about it. But
Yeah.
I belong from Alwar. You know
Okay,
Alwar?
yeah, Alwar, I am aware of.
Yeah, it is in starting.
Even
in Rajasthan.
Uday, even Badi Uday, these kind of place also there.
But means I didn't go many times. I didn't go only. I went sometimes, and many times I didn't go. That's why I don't know too much about Rajasthan. But yeah, when I visited there, so definitely I enjoyed a lot, and we can visit each and every place
Okay,
there.
that means you love to travel or not?
I love traveling
Yeah.
because while traveling we can enjoy, means our feeling is totally different
Yes.
that time, and we can feel good, refresh. And when we see while traveling, when we see outside, definitely we like it means we don't have words.
Different kind of feeling
Yeah,
again.
yes.
Even I also love to travel a lot. Means not only village, other countries.
Yes,
It's
yes,
my
yes.
dream to go out of India and enjoy as much
Yes.
as I want. Because traveling, we get knowledge also about that place, about this particular. Like if you're going to a museum, so there are so many kind of statues, and there's even written the information. So we get to know. Even sometimes teachers also ask about these kind of questions. But from our general knowledge, we should travel and we should go some different places. Like
And but some people say, yeah, I will go by the aeroplane, by this Rajdhani Express,
Yeah.
like this vehicle. So only that time we enjoy. But it doesn't matter. We can enjoy from any vehicle. Like we are going from by train, by car, by aeroplane. We can enjoy because traveling is traveling. It doesn't matter means from by which vehicle we are going.
yes.
According to me.
Yeah, actually, the best enjoyment is in train.
Yes,
Like
yes.
going with a train and like
Slowly when it runs,
Yeah.
and we see outside and station when we reach.
Yes.
We reach
When it stops
Yes,
and all
we
those
reach at the
things.
station. That time we means get down and we purchase some
Yes.
snacks,
Yes,
and
yes,
we
yes.
wander here and there.
Okay, so nice to talk you. I
Yes.
found that
Thank you so
you
much.
are a great friend. If anybody wants to become that's a wonderful pair talk I got from your side.
I loved also this talking, and nice to meet you also.
Yeah.
Okay,
So guys, like, share, and subscribe our channel, and even also you get to know that how to talk with a friend. Now you may easily talk with a friend. Okay, so bye guys.
Okay, bye.